Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about the current state of the MetaQuest 3 and 3S. And I get two technically, although most of the updates are focused around the 3 and the 3S. And this is for 2025. We're in December 2025, approaching the end of the year. I also would like to share some of my predictions, as it were, for 2026. For those of you guys that don't know or think my mic may sound a bit different, I'm actually using my wireless mic so I can actually look around properly and whatnot. I'll leave a whole video about that. There should be a card somewhere for you guys to check out. And I'm using hands, or not hands free, but I'm using no controller. I'm using my actual hands so we can get like the full experience together out of this. And I did switch to the scenery because sceneries are kind of a big part of this whole thing. Now, I'm recording this not too long before Christmas, like literally a few days, or Xmas, or the holidays. But as of right now, we did not get a holiday themed scenery, rather, which I'll be honest, I was a little disappointed in, but I guess that's okay, Ash. Now, if we hit this again, I'll be honest, sometimes this doesn't work right for me entirely. The meta one seems to work most of the time, but the other one, only works some of the time. Yeah, which I think might be technically a problem, but I'm sure they'll get ironed out. Yeah, I'm sure they will get ironed out over time, guys. Now we can still access our games and stuff. Now, those of you guys that may notice, I'm actually using the new navigation system. Now, not everyone is using the new navigation system because I'm pretty much, I get stuck in like a limbo-esque type thing because there's no option at the time for me to turn off the navigation system. So basically, I'm just subject to how it's updating right now at the time. So, yeah, that's just one of those things. There has been, speaking of updates, there has actually been a few updates where, just like different point versions and stuff. I mean, it's still V83 as of right now for me. Definitely let me know if you guys have got an upgraded version. Actually, let's look at some release notes real quick and see if we are bound to get anything new. Okay, so it doesn't look like anything new right now. I mean, this is just V83. So I'm guessing, and this is where a prediction comes in. I'm guessing that it won't appear till sometime next year. Yeah. Like I said, I'm recording this on just literally a few days before the holiday. So, yeah, I imagine that we won't get any major updates until next year. Actually, that's actually a good question. What would you guys be interested in seeing in an update? And for those of you guys that are wondering, this appears here because I'm screen recording using a combination of OBS and the MetaQuest 3. I have a whole guide on it. there should be a card somewhere if I remember to do that. So yeah, it is one of those things that I think it's going well. I'll show you guys real quick some of the games that I enjoy playing the most, okay? Because I do have some of my favorite games, okay? Which you'd think I'd have all my favorite games pinned, because you can pin games. But I don't have all my favorite games pinned because I didn't think about that, honestly. And I'll put a link in the description below to some of my favorite games so you guys can actually check them out for yourself and whatnot. But I will have to say, Synth Rider definitely up there. I use it a lot as a sort of exercise type thing. And then we have, of course, we got to talk about Deadpool VR. Actually, I'm pinning that, okay, because Deadpool VR is awesome. And the pinned games go to the top, so that's actually very good. Now apparently did an update, so I will update the game while I'm chatting with you guys. Uh, Yeah, I'll update the game, I suppose. Let something else updating first. We can only check the update by going here, then thing with downloading. Okay, so this was paused. So I guess we can continue that. Okay, so they were both paused. Okay, so all of these can be updated, but they were all paused for some reason. I'm not entirely sure. I should still have internet access with troubleshooting in IRL. Okay. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to actually show you guys I do indeed have internet, so things should slowly be downloading. Yep, see, they're installing one by one, it seems. It seems I had to basically let the thing know that I had internet, so to speak. And as you see, it did install the updates. It said that it's working on it. See, it's downloading the update. So, like I said, Marbles, Deadpool VR, Tenth Riders. I'll put a link to both of those in the description below. Other games that you buy on the MetaQuest store, feel free to use code TECH currently for 20% off. After January 1st of 2026, it's going to go down to 10% off. But for now, as of recording that, it is 20% off. So I recommend that you take advantage of that. I'll be honest, I do like seeing what games are downloaded and updating to download and whatnot. Okay, so if you're hearing this and it's abruptly different dialogue because I had to basically restart the screen recording. It did stop for some reason. Technically, the audio was still recording, so we have no problem with that, but it did pause the screen recording. And I can only assume that Marble Deadpool is having trouble installing because I'm going to check my storage. Because that's the thing I've been low-key worried about. Plus my battery's almost dead, so that could actually be it as well. I don't know. But Let's check my storage. No, I have enough storage for the update. Maybe it just has a safety feature that it won't update a game that might take a while to update if your battery is almost dead or something. Maybe that's it. I don't know. If someone knows if that's the reason, definitely let me know. I mean, it would be cool if that is the reason, I suppose. It's always cool to protect stuff like that, I suppose. But no, it's actually downloading now, so I guess that's not the reason. That answered my own question. There must have been something else downloading in the background or something. I don't know what's going on right now. But yeah, I think this is a good time to end the video though. I just want to go over kind of the state of the MetaQuest 3 and the home MetaQuest in general, I guess, but mostly 3 and 3S because, like I said, the updates do tend to target the 3 and the 3S. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.